Hi, today in front of me OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see notifications volume panel, and just to mute notifications you should slide to the left side this volume panel, but we can see that notifications they are unmuted, and just to mute them you should just use the alarm switcher. So just to activate the vibration or silent mode, just slide it to vibration or to the silent one, slide it to the up. By this way you will mute your notifications but also the ringtones, and if you want to stay with the ringtones and you want just mute only notifications, just unmute your device and go to notification sound and switch your currently notification sound just to known. So let's after that go back, and by this way you will mute only your notifications but you will stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.